What's up? I'm Carl with this special announcement about a new online show that I'm going to be doing. This is a free show that I'm doing with the great Mike Taylor. If you follow Mike at TMikeT on Twitter, you already know what I do, which is that Mike has all kinds of wonderful resources that he shares, tips to make your slides look better, wonderful free things that you can download and use in your online courses. He's an exceptionally sharp person with a wonderful, I swear this guy reads the entire internet every day and finds some of the best gems. So Mike and I have been meeting every couple weeks for the past year, and we've decided to open up our conversations with you. So you can join, and we'll kind of dig in deeper behind some of the things that Mike finds. Maybe you follow his newsletter and are interested. Maybe you like the recipes that I'm writing up. This show is going to be an unscripted, there's no PowerPoint slides that we're going to go through. This is a live discussion between Mike and myself, and of course you. So if you want to join, you can participate in the chat, you can ask questions. If you're brave enough, we'll even allow you to fire up your camera and join us on screen. I promise there will be screen sharing where you get to see us open up and use some of these cool tools that we're talking about. And we're really excited about this first show. So if you want to come and be a part of episode 1, you can go ahead and sign up. Again, that's May 17th at 1 p.m. Hope you can make it. Bye-bye.